take a room tour of the guest room provided by the college. Hey guys, I am recording this video for the ROS workshop that I am conducting at RIT College, which is located at Islampur, Sakharle. And the intention behind making this video is to keep a record of my 3 days ROS workshop, like how the workshop will happen and all those things. Like I will try to record at my maximum potential. I don't know how the things will go for the workshop, because the 3-day workshop is for the complete day, starting from the morning till the evening. So let's see how much time I get for the recordings. But I thought I should record this video because from tomorrow I am going to conduct the workshop, and actually I like the what can I say, the accommodation provided by the college itself. So that's why I am recording this video. And also I will try to like just record the topics of the videos as well, like what topics I will teach at the workshop and how the workshop will move forward. And yeah, let's take a room tour of the guest room provided by the college RIT, that is Rajarambapu Institute of Technology. And the like accommodation provided is pretty cool. Let's have a look here. And here's the room. And here's the room provided by the college to stay. I like the what I say. The college provided by the college. That's good. You can organize you for the guest house. And let's see. Like getting the and we also good. So I'll try to record the So that was the small room tour, and I think this workshop is going to be a great experience for me. Let's see what happens ahead in this workshop, how I am able to record the videos or not. But if I'm not able to record this video, like the workshop videos, then I will upload this as a vlog, as a mono vlog, or as a self-recording video, you can call that, or else anything. The day 1 of the ROS workshop is completed, and the experience was very great. Like the session started from the felicitation and all the other things, and then I got a chance to introduce myself and conduct the session as I do for the other ROS sessions as well. And also the students were pretty much interactive. I got to interact with the students. What are their expectations from this workshop, and what will be the outcome from this particular workshop. So basically the workshop started with the basics of ROS, like about nodes, topics, services, messages, and all those things. And also I tried to give a practical approach to the workshop by providing the real-time applications, and also how real implementation of ROS happens in a robotic system, and many more things. Also at the like second half of the session, we did the ROS installation and the doubt session. Like I personally tried to mentor each and every student and like to solve their doubts as well. So in this way the day 1 was completed, and in the day 2 we will focus upon the simulation and how to build our own packages, and how to also integrate the ROS with the hardware. So let's see what happens in the day 2. Also, like I got a good view from this particular guest room, and I wanted to showcase you guys the view. So let's see. And actually I'm now feeling very much tired and all those things, but I got one good view out there. So let's see that. It was day 2 of the ROS 2 workshop, and in this workshop I focused on the building the packages from the very basic and the turtle sim node and its working, and also how to interact with the ROS environments, what are some basic Linux and Ubuntu commands, and also how to basically go with the ROS structure, the package structure of ROS, and all the important concepts. And also we did the Python training, like what are the important concepts in Python, like object-oriented programming, and also the function definitions and the conditional statements, all those things from the very basic till the required level to work with ROS. That was covered today, and all the like the students understood the concepts very clearly, and yeah, a good feedback from them. And also tomorrow is the almost the last day of the workshop, and sir requested me to extend the workshop up to the day 4. So we will also have the workshop on day 4 as well. So day 3 will be about SLAM and navigation, because at day 2 I introduced them what is SLAM and navigation, which made them familiar with the concepts related to SLAM and navigation. Now it will be easy for them to learn about the navigation part. So let's see what happens tomorrow. And today was a really amazing day. Let's see what happens tomorrow. And also, like, I'm not able to record the complete live sessions, but I am just trying to do a monovlog type of thing, just trying out something new. So let's see what result comes from this particular video. Yeah, let's meet tomorrow. It was day 3 of the workshop and the experience was very good. I think it was the last day. There will be day 4 of the workshop as well, but that would be most of the part will be of the doubt session, and I will showcase the square robot, which will do the mapping and navigation part in real time on the real hardware part. And yeah, it will end the session. And the overall experience of the workshop was very good. And today there were like many students who were facing errors in ROS, especially while installing packages and all those things. Maximum errors were solved, some were remaining, and yeah, let's see, like, I will solve the rest of the errors tomorrow. That's not a big deal. So yeah, the overall experience was very good. I got a chance to interact with the students and also made good friends as well. So the community is increasing of the ROS, and also the overall like connections are like I'm able to build many connections through these kind of workshops. So I think in future, if I get a chance at any college or other thing or any other institute, I will be happy to collaborate. And yeah, that's a great thing, I think.